Hello everyone, you're welcome to FRANKA'S kitchen today. Today I did carrot oil. I hope you like it. Thank you for stopping by. So I add 3 carrots. I had to use the smaller grater to do it because I wanted everything by piece to come out. I wanted it to be a little piece so I can get enough of the juice from the carrot. So I did it. My camera went off. So here I have my olive oil, bio olive oil, and some carrots already on the plate. We're going to use half of what I grated from the 3 carrots, or some of them. And here I have my water already boiling. I'm going to put the carrot on top of this boiling water, a smaller pot. Then we'll cover and let it boil for at least 30 minutes. We're going to let it boil for 30 minutes and come back to it and see what's up. So see you later. Now the 30 minutes is up, and as you can see, it's kind of boiling already with the oil, with the olive oil. But I think we should leave it for at least 10 minutes and maybe come back, because I wanted everything to be real colored. And yeah, we'll come back to that later. So here is the other remaining carrot. What we'll do is fry this one. I have my olive oil already on the pot. So we're going to pour the other leftover carrot inside. Yeah, it's already frying and changing color very fast. Well, I'm supposed to make it a lower heat so that it doesn't burn. I'm not frying it. I just want to get the juice out of it. So reduce the heat. Yeah, we're going to reduce the heat. The frying is too much. Don't let your own fry that much. Just let the oil to be hot, that it's going to be popping a little bit. As you can see, it's already changing the color. I'm seeing the carrot color already, but I prefer the other one where you have the hot water. So I think it's ready now. We're going to remove it. It's ready to my taste. So we'll start with the first one that we used, water. Here is my filter. We're going to filter it out now because it's cold. Then see what we get out of it. Wow, we got quite a lot of the carrot oil, and I guess because I added a lot of olive oil, well, I preferred this one. And see, let's see what we'll get from this. The one I fried on a frying pan. They both have different texture as I touch them. This one was a lot drier and the other one was just boiled, cooked, and still moist. So let's see what we'll get from this. Oh, see the color. We really need to press to get everything out of it. Look at the color. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing the color? Wow. So we're done now. Yeah, this is what we got from the fried one. And you could use this oil for your skin or your hair just to soften it. Yeah, it's natural. I have just the carrot infused oil. And thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.